How do we get 4 orange traits for our Palmon? Welcome back to Meta Instincts. In today's video, we will walk you through, step by step, how we managed to get 4 orange traits through systematic breeding in Palmon Survival. S+ traits. At first, many players believe that ordinary S traits are the best. But there are rare versions of these traits that are even stronger. For example, Unshakeable is a better version of Steadfast, giving a 10% defense boost instead of 7%. Warlike is better than Belligerent, with 10% attack instead of 7%. They look the same, but the stats are higher. We call them S+ traits to differentiate them from the ordinary ones. After 2 months of playing, we've only received Iron Will, Unshakeable, and Warlike from the S+ collection. So, they're super rare. The goal is to fit all of them into a single Palmon by systematically breeding. Breeding factors. When breeding, the new Palmon randomly inherits 1 to 4 traits from the parent's traits. 2 things matter here. First is the number of inherited traits. It could be anywhere between 1 and 4. We can't control the odds, but we can breed the same thing repeatedly to achieve what we want. Second is the parent traits. This is something we can manipulate. By controlling the parent's traits, we can limit what will appear in the new Palmon. For example, if we pick 2 Palmon that only carry the S traits, the new Palmon will only carry S traits. If it doesn't get all 4, we can breed repeatedly until it does. It's like forcing the good traits into the new Palmon. And to do this effectively, we use 2 methods, deduction and addition. Deduction. We just got a Palmon with Iron Will and 2 blue traits we don't want. To use Iron Will, we must first remove the blue traits. We start by breeding it with another Palmon that also has S traits. We will aim to keep the number of parents' traits as small as possible. We start from 5 traits. The first few results are bad, like Iron Will was missing in the new Palmon. We must repeat the breeding until we get 1 with Iron Will. Eventually, we got a new Palmon with Iron Will, Unshakeable, and 2 blue traits. That was progress. We can now repeatedly breed 2 of the same Palmon while lowering the parents' traits to 4. Over time, the bad ones dropped off, and we ended up with a Palmon carrying just Iron Will and Warlike. This is a clean seed, which we can proceed to the addition step. Did you know the in-game bundle costs a lot more with digital tax depending on the country? For example, UK players would pay over $125 for the same bundle, which only sells at $100 for the US players. With Lutify, you can get your first $100 bundle as low as $72. Yes, you hear me right, that's $72. And it gets even better. Inviting your friends with your custom Lutify link can earn you up to $20 per friend who bought a $100 in-game bundle with Lutify. With Lutify, you save on every bundle, avoid the heavy digital taxes, and earn even more through bonuses and invites. Click the link in the description and start saving today with Lutify. Addition. Once we have a clean Palmon with only good traits, we can add more decent ones. As mentioned earlier, we have 3 S+ traits in our collection. Since Batarina already inherited 2 of them, it needs the third one, Unshakeable. We breed Batarina with a Buzzingyan, who has Warlike and Unshakeable. The parents now had Iron Will, Warlike, and Unshakeable. We eventually got a Palmon with all 3 S+ traits by repeating the breeding. Next, we took that Palmon and bred it with another that had Fortunate and Warlike. After a few attempts, we finally got a Palmon with Iron Will, Warlike, Unshakeable, and Fortunate. That's 3 S+ traits and 1 S trait combined. Exactly what we were aiming for. And once we find more S+ traits, we can keep repeating this process to make an even stronger Palmon. And that's how we built a Palmon with 4 orange traits. It takes time, patience, and a bit of strategy, but it's worth it. Alright, it is the end of the sharing today. Please like and share it with your members. I'm Alan from Meta Instincts. See you soon.